Hey guys, welcome to King of 4 Times Official. My name is Prasad Mehta. Today I'm going to show you a very easy salad recipe. That's Thai Papaya Salad. Before we start today's episode, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for amazing kick-ass recipes. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. To make Thai papaya salad, you need half a cup of raw papaya, finely grated, which I have immersed here in ice water bath. You need 2 small carrots cut into juliennes. You need diced tomato, 1 small. You need 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies. You can definitely use Thai chilies, but I don't have, so I'm using the regular green chili. We have soya sauce for the dressing, honey for the dressing as well, both 1 tablespoon each. We have salt and pepper, and we have 2 tablespoons of peanut. So we have added our papaya, carrots, tomatoes, ginger, peanuts, garlic, chilies, soy sauce, honey, salt, pepper. Now let's stir everything together and make sure that all the flavors are merged into one. So our salad is now ready. I will give it a shot, how it tastes like. But wait, this is not my version yet. I'm going to show you my version, as I said earlier in the video. So let's get started with the version 2. So this is my version of the Thai papaya salad. It's fun, it's really easy to make, and doesn't consume much of your time. So do try, and I'll see you next week.